Hi, I'm Sean from GoPower, and today we're going to do some tech tips on the IC3000 inverter charger and the IC2000 inverter charger. Today's tech tip is the proper wiring techniques of the IC3000 and the IC2000 from GoPower. So here along this edge here, this will be where we're connecting all the AC connections. We'd have the grounds going here, we'd have the neutral out coming to this terminal block here, the neutral in coming to this terminal block, and then we have hot 1 in, hot 2 in, hot 1 out, and hot 2 out. So of course we'd be tightening these connections. We bring our wires in, we'd be tightening these down, getting them as tight as possible. But it's also important we should tighten the manufacturer's side of the terminal block as well, just in case anything's come loose, because as we know, loose connections can cause heat and could cause failure in the inverter. So we want to make sure we tighten both sides of the terminal block. Also important to note, after 6 months of installation, we should come back and take a look at these and tighten them all over again just to see if anything's come loose as the RV's bouncing down the road or as the boat's moving around.